Good afternoon, this is Paul Reiber with Freedom Motors USA, coming to you from Battle Creek, Michigan, with this beautiful, like brand new 2018 Kia Soul with a manual rear entry, handicapped wheelchair accessible ramp. This is bright red, beautiful Kia Soul. Here at Freedom Motors USA out of Battle Creek, Michigan, we specialize in really cool vehicles like this. Not just run-of-the-mill handicapped wheelchair vans. We have Kia Souls, Chevy Suburbans, Chevy Tahoes, Chevy Silverados, GMC Yukons, Kia Sorentos, Kia Souls, Fiat 500s. We're always doing new, different, innovative, and fun things. Here at Freedom Motors, we've been in business over 30 years, family-owned business. We specialize in super cool vehicles. We give you the freedom to literally go where you want. Even though you may be in a wheelchair, we give you the freedom to not only go where you want, but to do it in style. This vehicle here is like brand spanking new. Let's check out the inside first. It's like brand new vehicle. Nice backup camera. Bluetooth system, only 24,000 miles, 24,277 miles. Nice backup camera there. Brand new USB auxiliary ports. Let me show you the back here. There's the Q strengths. Here's the where you lock them into place, lock the wheelchair into place there. This is super cool. Here's your backup camera. Freedom Motors USA, over 200 vehicles in stock, always innovative, always coming up with new, innovative and cool ideas. This is really lightweight, super lightweight. Wheels right down a very nice slope here. Here's where you secure your wheelchair, just right up here. Super cool and fun vehicle. Kia Soul 2018, just like brand new. Again, this is Paul coming to you from Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. Hundreds of vehicles in stock, wheelchair accessible. We have vehicles that you can drive, you can be the passenger. The Suburban is huge, so you can have the whole family with you. Check out this Kia, so cool. If you're interested in a handicapped vehicle, wheelchair accessible vehicle, please visit our website, freedommotors.com. Call 1-800-625-6335. That's 1-800-625-6335. Please click to subscribe to this page, and thank you for watching my video. Have a great day.